Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a beautiful contact form page or contact us page for your WordPress website. I'm currently using WoodMart theme on my website, and I also have Elementor installed, and I already installed Contact Form 7 plugin. So for this you will need Elementor because I will use some pre-built templates for the contact form page, and then I will use Contact Form 7 for building the contact form itself. So first of all, let's go to pages, all pages, and let's create a new page. Contact us, let's name it contact us, and publish. Okay, now let's edit with Elementor. In the new tab, let's go to contact, add new. To build a new form for our new contact form, let's build this contact us form, and there are some pre-built. This is the name, email, subject, and message. So these are the pre-built input fields already, and the submit. So let's change submit to send or inquire or anything, and let's save this form first. While the Elementor page is loaded, you can see we already have our default WoodMart theme template. So if you go there, click on settings, let's change the settings of this page. The page layout is default right now. Let's choose Elementor full width to remove this sidebar. Okay, we have a full width page now. Let's update this first and come back to the contact form 7. Okay, this is now saved. Let's go to the mail section. We have the message body within our email. You can also add the subject or anything from these fields into the message itself, and this is for admin that we should know from where this email is coming. Okay, we will use this contact form, which ID is A7EC65. So let's go to the Elementor page now and click on this directory and choose pages and search for contact. There are a lot of free templates available for contact us. So you can use this one, this one. Let's see if we have any good option for contact form for free. This is pro, this is pro, this is pro. About us. Okay, let's choose this one. Let's connect to the library. Let's apply. And this template will be inserted. Okay, now you can remove this because we already have our own header. You can change image here, you can add image here, change these settings, and for the map you can add your own address here. Okay, we will add our contact form here. So let's remove this thumbnail, this image, and add a short code, or let's find contact form Yes, we have contact form 7. So let's grab it. Into the section and choose the contact form we just built. Let's see how many contact forms we have. We have contact form 1, contact us. So let's see why this contact us is not coming here. Okay, let's update this page and refresh the editor, because when we opened the editor, that contact forms was not there. That is why it's not loaded. So once you refresh the page, just select that form again and choose the form we just built. So here it is. We have email, we have name, subject, message, and a send button. Okay, now where this email will be sent, let's go to the backend again. In the contact us, click on edit. By default, it will be sent to the admin email, which is your administrative email for the main administrator user. But if you choose this mail tab, send to, then here you can add your own email address, like this is mine. Save it, and now I'll receive the emails on my email address, not the one that is mentioned in admin. You can also use that admin email address here if you want. And let's test this contact form. Open the website. Okay, also let's add the contact form in the menu. So in this menu, we want to add our contact form newly built. So go to backend again. In the appearance, go to menus and choose the menu you want to show the contact form in it. So header menu, mega menu electronics is here. Okay, let's add that contact in the bottom here, and let's save that menu. Once you save it, just refresh on the front end, and we have our contact form menu here. Let's click on contact us page, and we have the contact us page right here. Let's add some dummy images here so that it not look so bad. I'll choose the existing email here. This image is not so relevant, but currently I have only these images. Let's see if we have map or anything like that. Let's choose keyboard and another image here. So that image works. Publish, and now refresh the contact page, and we have a beautiful layout for our contact form. Let's type your data. Let's send and wait for maybe a couple of minutes to receive this message in my inbox. Let's check the inbox, refresh. Not yet. Let's also check the spam, because I do not have SMTP added to my WordPress website. That is why this may be in our spam folder. So it is in our spam folder, test ABC, and we have this is my new message, and we have this email received. So this is how you can build a contact form using contact form 7 plugin and Elementor for the pre-built template. And this is my WoodMart theme where I added this in the menu. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.